Hi, in this video, we'll construct a search query that looks for a range of values. Let's say one of your servers is running an application that serves your customers' critical business services. You notice that many people are experiencing issues reaching the server. So, you decide to examine your firewall logs and extract all the logs describing traffic being sent to this application. To do this, you can provide the server's IP address and a range of port numbers used by the specific application. Range search comes in handy in these cases. Simply specify the lower and upper bounds of the range you wish to search through, connect it with the operator to, and then enclose the range in square brackets. And that's it. Searching for a range of values is as simple as that. Here are the results with the events you require.